A product is just a product, a box sitting there looking nice. Well, that's how it used to be. But with Touchcode, your product can be more. You can create added value for consumers that wasn't available before at a minimal cost. Welcome to Touchcode. Touchcode is an electronic code that can be printed onto paper with ordinary printers, just like ink, except that Touchcode is invisible and interactive. It stores the information that you want to pass to users, for example, linking them to a website. Now, you're probably asking yourself, don't we already have RFID tags and QR codes? Yes, but Touchcode can do more. It's easier to produce, environmentally friendly and recyclable. And most of all, it's simple and intuitive for people to use. All they need is a smartphone, a tablet, or any other device with a touchscreen. I just sold the product to the touchscreen and a new world opens up. Here are 5 application examples, but possibilities are endless. Consumer products, toys and games, brand protection, ticketing, media and publishing. Click on the appropriate door to explore what Touchcode makes possible.